How many of you know the name of this stuff I'm holding in my palm? Can you guess this? Alright, so I want to teach you something in this video. So here, let's go to Aba. So this is the lovely city of Aba. I went all the way from Owerri just to get that panel I am holding on my hand. Now, this is towards the area where I am going to buy this. I am heading to OT Multi Ventures here in the city of Aba. Aba is now shining. So here they loosed my machine and brought out this. So this is called the panel of an industrial direct drive machine. So here is the machine. This is an Emel machine I bought something 3 years ago. It got burned after a few months. So the engineer is test running the panel first before he will change it to the new one. Even though this video was not recorded from scratch, but I want to let you know that the cost of running or changing your panel in Aba, the panel is being sold for 70,000 naira for an Emel machine. 2 Lion is I think around 68,000 naira or 65,000 naira, and the cost of changing it is within the range of 7 to 8,000 to 10,000 depending on the person changing for you. So here my engineer has finished the changing, and it's now time for us to tighten it. Sorry I did not get to show you everything in process, but the prices and the location is of very essential for some people that might wish to go and change theirs. So he has changed the panel, the old one has been brought out and the new one has been fixed. So here he's trying to tighten every knot that he must have loosened while in the process of this. So like I said, this panel is being sold for 70,000 naira at OT Multi Ventures for Emel. So before you buy this panel or before you place an order, they have brand name or model or brand of machines. So mine is EMM2 Emel. It's written on the body of the machine. So he's tightening the head, and then there will be time for us to test it. There was no light at this moment, so we cannot test it right now, but I think before this point he has already tested it before covering the head. So here I am on my way as well, going back. I think this is the main video where I was going back from Aba, and I said let me do a small recording or small vlog for you, my fans on YouTube, to watch and know that you can actually do this in Aba at this rate. So I will also show you the machine when I get to my house. So here I am at home. The machine is now running perfectly well. So at the first time it showed, I think, error E-03. Yeah, E-03. That was the error it showed that warranted the panel to be changed. I also bought this LED lights for industrial machines as well. So if you derive value from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.